In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to receive money on Opay app. There are different ways in which you can actually receive money on Opay app, depending on how the person that wants to send you money want to use it. So since you already have your account number with you, you can actually provide your account number to the person that wants to send money to you, and then the person can input that account number into their bank app or deposit, cash deposit, depending on how they actually wanna give you money. So once they do that, then you're gonna receive money inside your Opay account. And also you can also make a deposit directly all by yourself by reaching out to merchant, which of course they use POS to deposit money into your Opay account, and you will receive it inside your own Opay account. And you can also do the add money option, where you add money all by yourself through different means, by bank transfer, cash deposit, top up through card or account, or USSD code, or you can also scan a QR code to receive payment on your Opay account. Either way, it all works the same way, and you're gonna receive the money inside your Opay account.